Well, hello everyone. I hope we're all doing well. Today I'm gonna be talking about an affirmation that just blows, isn't it wonderful, out of the water. It's basically the same thing, just a one-word change, and it is so powerful to someone who is living in 2022, going on to damn near 2023. Let me tell you what I mean. But before I do, you're more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things self-development. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. Straight off the bat, isn't it wonderful? I never really got into, I did. If you want to look at the video that I have up above of me doing the Isn't It Wonderful challenge, where I was falling asleep into the assumption that everything is wonderful, and I would just repeat, isn't it wonderful, fully feeling the feelings of just everything being wonderful in my life, and my subconscious filling in the blanks because I'm just questioning, isn't it wonderful? And not fully knowing what it is, just everything that my actual being desires, and having everything fill in the blanks. You can watch that up above. When I made this small little shift, and I did this a couple of days ago, and so many incredible things have happened. Like, please try this, and I can't believe no one's talking about it. Okay. As soon as I started saying, isn't it amazing? Isn't that just amazing? Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? Like, to me, that rolls off the tongue a lot easier. It's very natural for me. I love the word amazing. I never say wonderful. I feel like wonderful is such an older term. And so when I started saying, isn't that amazing? I kind of felt like I had a friend next to me, and I just told her all of these incredible things that I deemed to be amazing. And then I would say, isn't that amazing? Because that's how I would talk if something incredible happened in my life. I'd be like, isn't that amazing? Like, what the hell? Isn't that not like, isn't that cool? Like, isn't that great? Isn't that fucking amazing? Like, and then my subconscious would fill in the blanks, because really that's how I would talk if something incredible happened. I would never say, isn't it wonderful? Like, that just feels so forced, and it did give me results. But listen, I started saying, isn't that amazing, while falling asleep into it, and then during the day, because it just felt so natural to me to say, and so many things started happening, like crazy random things. First of all, people on the street are like looking into my soul and smiling at me, like people are so kind, but also at the same time so respectful. My immigration form that my employer has to fill out because I'm renewing my visa got filled out really quickly. It was printed off for me and given to me without any hassle. My friend just booked her tickets. I literally just got the news, like I am screaming, that she is going to visit me in December, and I'm so happy and so excited. She visited me this time last year, and now she's visiting me again, and I'm gonna spend Christmas with her and New Year's, and it's gonna be so fun, and I'm so super excited. And that's something that I would be like, isn't that amazing? Because I was not expecting this. She was not planning on coming back another year. So the fact that she's coming back again is actually literally amazing. Like, I'm so happy. If you know one thing about me, is I am a lover of Drake, and the fact that his new album just spontaneously came out, that was amazing to me, because we just had Honestly Nevermind. So the fact that we're getting Her Loss is my gain. So I was like, that's absolutely fucking amazing. Me booking my visa, so I was worried that I wasn't going to be able to book it at a specific time, at a specific location, and I actually am going to be able to do so. I think that's absolutely freaking amazing. My other friend is coming to New York in a couple of days, and we are planning all of these things literally without me having to work for it and constantly, affirming specific things. My subconscious just fills in the blanks by itself without me having to do anything except for being like, isn't that amazing? I don't even have to force myself to feel amazing, because as soon as I start saying isn't that amazing, because it's so natural to me, it just puts me into a scenario naturally where I would be like, isn't that amazing? Like, even saying that now has hyped me up like extravagantly, like, isn't that amazing? So please try this and let me know in the comments down below what you manifested, if this has worked for you, because honestly I feel like isn't that wonderful is an older sort of term that kind of didn't really do anything for me, but isn't it amazing is just, it just hypes me up. I love the word amazing, I don't know why. But anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.